Hi all. Today let's see how to enter and manage expense vouchers inside Infogate accounting software. Enter and get reports of the expense daily expenses, which is very important for maintaining records of a business, for getting the idea how the cash flow is happening, what kind of overheads are coming. Okay, let's see how the entry can be done in our accounting software. We can move to the account section and there is expense entry voucher. We can open this voucher and this voucher will help you to enter and record your expenses, daily expenses. The document number is repeating, which is continuous, and the date, you can choose the expense date and enter the department title or name of the person who is entering the expense account, expense entry. And there are two account selections, the credit account and the debit account. Always the expense accounts will be the debit accounts that we can choose from here, and the credit account from which the cash is flowing to the expense account, we can choose over here. By default we have chosen the cash account for the business as the credit account. If we want to select another account, there is a search facility and you can search and select the needed account like cash or bank or petty cash, whatever account you are selecting, creating here. Okay, to create this kind of accounts we have feature. I will show you in detail how to create accounts. In the same window you can choose and enter your expense accounts also. Here we can select the expense accounts like petrol bills, rent of office, whatever it is, whatever expense accounts, we can title and create the accounts first and choose over here. Okay, first we can check, we can see how an account of expense, title of expense is created. We have a facility in master for the accounts master. We will open this facility and we will choose this window. We will select use this window to create our chart of account. This is a basic style chart of account we can create from here. There are four components of a chart of account, that's assets, expenses, income and liability. All these accounts can be created over here by entering the code for the account, title of the account, title of account in Arabic, and the group of account you can choose from here, and the Arabic title for the account, and then save the account. For time being I will enter one example, one code number, and rent for store, whatever it is, and the title for the Arabic for the account you can enter here, and then choose the type as expense and choose the group as indirect expense. All the operational expenses which is happening inside a business will be indirect expenses, and you can choose that account over here and group over here, and then after entering all these basic necessary things you can save the account. After entering the expense account title in the accounts master, you can choose that account over here. You can choose that account over here by selecting this option. Now the rent store is also available inside the list, and choose it. And after that if you want to choose the credit account from which the cash is flowing, you can choose over here. Now we have by default we are choosing the cash account and entered by accounts department, whatever it is. You can enter the name of the person or anything. If you have a bill from the service provider or the of the service provider, you can enter the invoice number from here and the name of the supplier and the VAT number of the supplier, whatever it is. If it is subjected to VAT, or if it is not subjected to VAT, you can choose 0 over here and then leave this area empty, and then enter the purpose of the entry, rent for the month of Jan 2022 store. Okay, after narrating this line, you can enter that down. Same voucher, this same voucher can be used to enter the multiple expenses, like uh, choosing another account, rent for the office, and rent for the office is 1500 real, which is also subjected to 15% VAT, and the bill number you have, and the name of the supplier, name of supplier, and the VAT number for the supplier, whatever it is, and enter the purpose, rent office 2022 Jan. After entering all the expense records, expense accounts for the 13th January 2022, you can save this voucher. You can save this voucher and show successfully saved. Okay, if you want to preview or if you want to print this voucher, we will go now for the previous and print preview, and then just print it. You will get the voucher like this. This is a default style. Whatever alignments you need according to your business, you can enter that. Now it's showing all the details of our entry for the month of we will check this one. Let me check this entry. We haven't entered the amount, that's why. We will enter the amount over here, and we can refresh that entry, and we can update it. Now we have seen how to update a voucher also. Okay, now we will reprint it again, and the details are ready here. Okay, after all these details of entry, you can get the report of expenses, or you can search this kind of expenses over here by selecting this option and click this entry. All the expense vouchers that you have created will be listed here for the cross checking and updating if anything wrong happened. Okay, this is how we will create our expenses from the Infogate accounting software, from the account section, expense entry voucher. Anyway, let's see how we can get the reports wherever these reports are, these expenses are affected. For this section will show the account section. Inside the report module, account section will show different expense reports registers over here. Like this one, this will show the expenses of today, and it's showing by detail whatever had happened, all the expense vouchers which we have demonstrated. And the report section for the summary for the period will show like this. This can be aligned. These are all default styles. We can align according to your idea. This is showing by account what's happened for the period. And there is another report for the expense by account wise. Like this it will show indirect expenses or direct expenses, whatever it is we can choose, and we can see account title wise, account group head title wise, it will come under the means kind of a breakdown. You will get the report. Anyway, there are this kind of reports that we can utilize from. Also, in the report section, in the VAT report, when we check the VAT report for the quarter of any year, when we click this down, let me check that. Okay, now let's see how the VAT report is affected with the expense account, expense entry. When we go to the VAT report, the consolidated summary will show you the summary of entries for the quarter. When we select the quarter and print it, it will show the expenses over here. See that expense is already registered, which is claimable. Which is not claimable, which is selected as 0, will not be listed here. All the expenses that we have entered by selecting 15% VAT will be listed over here and can be utilized to detect the for the deduction of the VAT, for the input of the VAT. This is how the VAT report is affected with the expense entry. And in the report section, there is in the accounts, in the reports module accounts section, there is general ledger. This will help you, this report will help you to see what happened for one individual ledger. For time being, we will see what happened for the main cache. To check the results of today's entry, we will see that. Now see here, there are three records for the expenses which we have created, demonstrated now, which is affected already in the cash ledger. There are another some accounts or entries here for the sales and purchases we have created. This one will listed hard for the expenses, so this is credited from the cash account, and it is affected in the closing balance. This is how we can check how the expense entry is affecting in our daily business records, in our cash account or in our bank account or in our another ledgers, or getting the reports of the expenses. All the facilities are here. So this is the voucher to create and manage our expenses in Infogate accounting software. Hope this video is helping you, or hope this video is giving you idea how to record all these things and to proceed for your entries. If any further clarification needed, you can contact us always, and we will guide you through the details, or if any amendments or alignments needed for the reporting, we can go through. Our support desk will help you for those things. Hope this video is informative, and thank you for watching this video. Keep watching our videos. We will input all the videos of our software features. Thank you.